Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the best AI-powered studying applications out there right now. It's called Albus. Albus is built to make studying smarter and more visual. With just a few clicks, it can automatically generate notes from your study material, whether it's a document, article, or even a YouTube video. But what really sets Albus apart is its focus on visual learning. Instead of just plain text, it turns key concepts into flowcharts, diagrams, and summaries that are super easy to understand and remember. It's perfect for visual learners or anyone who wants to cut down on time spent rewriting class notes. You upload or paste your content and Albus organizes it into clear, structured notes you can actually use. The interface is simple, the notes are clean, and you can revisit or edit them anytime. It also helps with revision planning and quick reviews before exams. If you're looking for an application that helps you study visually, take better notes, and save time, Albus is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have tried Albus or have another favorite study tool. See you in the next one.